is this what we had? Is this all we had? That's it? Life is gonna kick you, slap you, hit you, punch you in places you would have never ever even thought about. Bam! Hit you. Oh my god. Kya ho gaya? Basically, guys, you are just in season 1 of your Friends series. I swear to God, अगर किसी ने अभी doorbell ring की, I would be so embarrassed. Because what is this? Actually, was not feeling good. Okay, your girl was having a mental breakdown again. So I just thought that let me do something which will make me feel good about myself, aka आधा किलो मेकअप थोपना मेरे मुंह पे.
It's gonna make me feel good.
We're gonna be yapping about things I have learned in my 20s, which no one talks about, because currently I am 25 and soon I will be turning 26 next month. So it just hit me like, bitch, you're turning 26 next month, like 26. If I could go back in time and tell 15-16 old self of me that life is gonna kick you, slap you, hit you, punch you in places you would have never ever even thought about. It's gonna be a roller coaster, not a good one. Hang in, ठीक है? पूरा सीट बेल्ट वगैरह लगा के बैठ जाना, बिकॉज तेरी तो बेटा ऐसे लगने वाली है. He always thought that, by 25, there was this picture painted to us when we were kids, that जब हम 25 के हो जाएंगे, when we'll be like 25 years old, everything would be figured out, and by this time maybe we'll be married, have a house or a car, be in a good, well paying job. Some people have achieved it even before 25. So to you guys, because for people like me, there is a whole different fairy tale written for us. It's not giving soft girl life, it's giving warrior, soldier girl energy. Okay, I don't know if that's even a thing. मैं क्या कर रही हूँ? I'm literally, मैं बस literally आधा किलो मेकअप थोप रही हूँ on my face just to feel something. God knows what I'm trying to feel over here. Like, so the things that I wanted to talk about. Number 1, nobody has their life figured out. It might look like they have it all figured out, but truth be told, everyone is just winging it. I feel some people are just better at pretending. There's this scene, maybe it is like from Euphoria, where Maddie tells Cassie, you just have to fake it. Everybody fakes confidence. They just know how to fake it better than you. If you're not able to catch it, that just means they are better at faking it than you. When I heard that, it hit me like, yeah, confidence is not something you're born with. तुमको fake करना पड़ता है. You have to fake your confidence in order to be that bitch, be that girl. So that is one thing I have learned. Coming to the second point, and I'm telling you, a lot of people will agree. हम लोगों ने शायद प्यार में इतना धोखा नहीं खाया होगा, शायद प्यार में इतना दिल नहीं तोड़ा होगा या तुड़वाया होगा जितना दोस्तियों में हुआ है. Okay, friendship breakups are brutal. Okay, friendships change. That is honestly one of the hardest part of growing up, of adulting, and it's not something everyone always talks about. I feel we should address it, right? Because we are going through it. As tough as it may sound, you might think ki, oh, we have known each other for a long time, we have seen the ups and downs, but you will see people change, people flip, and you would be like, is this what we had? Is this all we had? That's it? They might not even give you any closure or give any explanation or give. वो चाहे अपने बंदों को, अपने boyfriends को, अपने girlfriends को चाहे 100 मौके 100 chances दे दे, but तुम्हें नहीं देंगे chance. Either they will fuck it up, they will ruin it so badly that you cannot look at them the same again, and you have no other option than to walk away for your own good, and you have to do it sometimes. ये मान के मत चलो कि ये मेरी दोस्त थी 5-6 साल से, we were friends like since the past 5 to 6 years or maybe 10 years, so we'll be friends forever. No, it doesn't always happen. Sometimes it does, which is rare and so beautiful, you should cherish it, but sometimes it don't, and it hurts you. इफ इट्स नॉट वर्किंग आउट, इट्स नॉट वर्किंग आउट, कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है वही वो होता है ना, ऐसे रोप को खींच के रखो बस, जब तक ऐसे मतलब तुम्हें ब्रूजेस आ रहे हैं, तुम्हारा स्किन छील रहा है पूरा, योर स्किन इज लाइक लिटरली पीलिंग ऑफ, एंड यू स्टिल होल्डिंग ऑन टू इट, इट्स हर्टिंग you and it's hurting them as well. So sometimes it's better to just let go, learn to live with it. So the next point I would like to talk about is you'll feel lost. इतने सारे टाइम आएंगे तुम्हारे लाइफ में, इतने सारे पल आएंगे, इतने सारे मोमेंट्स आएंगे, यू विल फील सो लॉस्ट. ऐसे लगेगा कि बाहर से तो सब ठीक है. इफ एनीबडी वर टू मीट यू राइट नाउ, अभी ओके, इट विल लुक शी इज सो जॉली, हैप्पी, सब कुछ तो ठीक लग रहा है, बट यू वुड नो फ्रॉम इनसाइड दैट इट्स नॉट. इट्स यू आर लिटरली screaming अंदर से for help. You're feeling so lost, you're feeling numb or empty, void, hopeless. You're feeling all of these things, but nobody can, you know, like see it बाहर से. Right now, I'm feeling this thing जो मैंने अभी बोला है, that feeling lost. It looks like I'm fine from the outside to people whom I meet who are not that close, you know, posting stories, reels. It looks सब कुछ ठीक है इसके साथ, but you must be literally dying from inside and nobody would know. And it's not like we want them to know, but I am saying that it's fine. These things come in a life and nobody prepares us for this kind of things, honestly. It just comes to you and you have to like just go with the flow and wing it and learn it अपने आप से, खुद से. There is no course for this kind of things that which will prepare you कि oh my god, this is gonna happen. Be prepared. It's just gonna bam hit you. Oh my god, क्या हो गया? You will feel extremely lost and all alone, but you should remember to have an anchor. Say I'm doing makeup right now. It's an anchor for me. Like this will just distract me or just make me, you know, open up or feel my feelings or talk about it. Like this, just talking to you over here is making me feel so good and happy at the same time. I don't know, like 30 minutes ago, Rasika would have not been. इतना सीरियसली मत लिया करो चीज़ें, you know. Life is kind of like a wave. It's gonna go up and down, up and down. तो जैसे we are down, हम ऊपर भी तो जाएंगे. There would be a up, which is coming soon. And you need to enjoy it when it comes. Do not dwell in the past. Oh my god, तब मैं ऐसे कर रही थी, या फिर future में अभी ये होगा, अभी वो होगा. No, I do it because I do it. I either dwell in the past or I worry about future. So I never really get to live in the present. My dog is sitting right over here. Dogs are one of those beings who truly enjoy their present. They are like a ball of sunshine. जो भी हो रहा है इस पल में, they will live it to the fullest. And watching him, it just, you know, it hits me कि oh my god, learn something. You should enjoy every moment. Even a little bit, if you could do it, that would be really good. You just start caring less. Honestly, धीरे धीरे you will stop giving. You won't be desperate for validation from anyone and you would just stop caring. You would just simply just stop it. तुम्हें कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, कोई कुछ भी बोले, कुछ ना करे. You will only care what makes you happy, what doesn't, and that's all that matters. You should always prioritize yourself. And लोगों को बोलने दो selfish. So what? Who would I care about if not me? सबसे पहले you should care about yourself, then others. Again, when I say that you would stop caring, it also includes कि you would like stop caring less about the situations or things which used to stress you out, and that is so freeing. You'll be like nonchalant. क्यों होना nonchalant? We'll be nonchalant. Biggest issue of mine, I'm a huge control freak. I would want to just control everything apparently, and that's how I also got into astrology a little bit. Now you would say that's not true, ये वो like whatever, okay, होगा नहीं true, होगा वो एक myth or whatever. But again, that is one of the anchors, and I find it very interesting for people who are control freaks who want to know कि ये कैसे होगा, वो कैसे होगा. It's good for them. Another point is being alone is not always equal to being lonely. There's something called as feeling lonely, like loneliness, and then there's something called as solitude. Both are different. The way I have learned it, again, it's a trauma for me. I have mentioned it a couple of times on my channel as well that I was not someone who used to roam in groups. I never enjoyed groups में जाना, ये करना, वो करना. Like I always wanted to be, you know, doing my own thing, and मुझे किसी के ऊपर depend होना पसंद नहीं है basically. Like if someone is like मुझे कहीं जाना है suppose to get some shit done, and someone is not available, so that doesn't mean कि भाई मैं नहीं जाऊँगी. I have to go, and that is the only slot I have. And it has happened, I'm not even surprised, it has happened to me like 99% of the time, 99% of the time this happens to me. Like I have to do something or go somewhere, or you know, ऐसे मेरा मन हो गया, whatever, and people are not available. So that doesn't mean it's gonna stop me. I will go, okay? मैं तो जाऊँगी, right? It's not always कि you are sad about it. Sometimes, okay, you do feel sad, but you know, धीरे धीरे I have learned it's fine. So what? Be the main character of your story. ये जो हम मूवीज़ देखते हैं, सीरीज़ देखते हैं on Netflix and here and there, do you see the main characters? They also go alone here and there. They go and run their errands. They can also go to a restaurant and eat alone. And you know, while watching it, we feel, oh my god, this is so aesthetic. They are living main character life. So why not you? You can be the main character of your story. Who's stopping you? But even though मैंने इतना ज्ञान दिया है यहाँ पे, I do still overthink. I panic. I keep yapping over here. I will just stress out, try to take control, feel low, everything. Okay, every single thing I do. But I just wanted to tell you guys what all I have learned and experienced, so that even if it helps anyone, itnu sa bhi, that would make me happy. Because not every time whatever we know we can implement, right? तो execution में problem आ रहा है. Knowledge theory हमारे पास सारी है, but practically it is so tough. But cheers to those people who are actually doing it. In the end, we are all just figuring it out. Even in Friends, मैंने ये भी meme देखी थी on Instagram, that Friends का season 1 जो है, उसमें भी everyone is like what, 25, 26. So basically guys, you are just in season 1 of your Friends series. So just chill out, don't stress that much. Things will happen, how they're gonna happen, how they're meant to be happen. I've told you guys, friendships change, right? Similarly, you will outgrow yourself. You will have those different versions of you. जैसे हम बोलते, like my 2016 era, my 2018 era, my cool girl era. You know, those kind of eras we have. I would just look at my old self and be like, girl, what are you doing? That's embarrassing. Stop it right now. Yeah, just stop it. Stop it. Because you know, as you grow older, peace becomes more important than drama, excitement. Sometimes it will hit you in the middle that, why is my life so boring? Because girl, you chose peace over drama. तो तुम्हारी लाइफ में बोरिंग तुम्हें लग रही है, बट दैट इज एग्जैक्टली वॉट यू आर विशिंग फॉर द लॉन्गेस्ट टाइम. एंड नाउ दैट इज हैपनिंग, लेट इट बी. ओ माई गॉड, great. Also, you guys can tell me something that you have realized in your 20s or in your teens, if you're a teenager right now, in your 20s, late 20s, 30s, the things that you have learned or realized or which just hit you. So you can drop those things down in the comments and I'll make sure to reply to every single one of them. So that's it guys for today's video. I hope you liked it. Bye.